To draw a mug of hot chocolate, we're going to start with a curve like that. And then we're going to draw another one underneath it like that. And then we're going to draw a little inside curve. And then when we come around the corner, we're just going to put a few little dots there so that it fades out. Then we want to copy that top curve like that. And then that's our cocoa inside. Cocoa or hot chocolate? Anyway. And then this is the side of the mug coming down. Like that. And then we join that together with a nice curve like that. Then we're going to need a handle. So we'll start about here and we're going to come around and down like that. Then here we're going to come up and straight across, but not right to the end. Okay? And then here we're going to come down like that. And then maybe a little thing like that as well. We can maybe bring that down there and maybe a little bit of shadow. Then all you need to do is colour it in. Thanks for watching and subscribing to Draw Stuff Real Easy so you can come back and do lots more drawings. Bye!